In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email signature in Zoho CRM. Having a personalized email signature not only enhances your professional appeal, but also provides your recipients with essential contact information in a sleek and organized manner. Let's dive right into the process, ensuring that you can confidently set up your own signature in no time. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and navigate to the home page. From the comfort of your main dashboard, look for the Setup icon typically found in the top right corner of the interface. Clicking on this icon will take you into the Settings area where we can begin customizing your email signature. Next, within the Settings menu, direct your attention to the section labeled Email. Clicking on this option will transport you to the email configuration settings. It's here that you can manage various email-related features, including the all-important email signature we're about to set up. Once you're in the email settings, look for a button or link that says Add New Signature. Clicking on this will open up a new section where you can input the details of your signature. Start by providing a name for your signature. It's always a good idea to choose a name that easily identifies the signature's purpose or the account it's linked to, especially if you plan on having multiple signatures. With the signature name set, you'll need to select the email address that this signature will be associated with. Zoho CRM allows you to manage multiple email addresses within your account, so ensure you're choosing the correct one for this specific signature. This step is crucial as it determines which email communications include your new signature. Now, it's time to craft your actual signature message. This is where you'll type out the text you want to appear at the bottom of your email. You might include your name, job title, company, phone number, and any other contact information relevant to your role. Additionally, you can click on Insert Image if you wish to add a logo or any digital branding element. An image can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your signature, making your email stand out. If you opt to insert an image, you'll need to click on Browse Files to upload an image from your device. Once selected, click Insert Image to ensure it appears alongside your text. Ensuring everything is properly aligned and visually pleasing is important, so take a moment to make any necessary adjustments. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, go ahead and click the Save button. This will finalize your signature setup, making it ready for use in your emails. You can now enjoy a professional-looking signature that reflects your brand and personality every time you send an email from Zoho CRM. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.